In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix the USB Type-C earphones not being detected on your Samsung Galaxy phone. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, I'm on my S25 Ultra right now. Let's say you're using some wired USB-C headphones or earphones on your phone, but for some reason, whenever you go ahead and go to YouTube, Spotify, anything like that, to play anything, you're not hearing it from your earphones, you're actually hearing it from the phone speakers. So there's actually a very easy fix. What you want to do, swipe down on the top right, it's going to bring up your control panel. Then on the top right again, you're going to see the settings wheel icon. From here, scroll down and then you're going to see developer options. Now, once you see developer options, go ahead and open it up. Make sure developer options are on and you just want to scroll down. You want to scroll down quite a bit. And then one of the options you're going to see, you're basically going to have to go ahead and disable that. So once you find the media section, it's quite, far down. You're going to see disable USB audio routing. Make sure that this is disabled. And then what you want to do is by default, it's going to be enabled. So once you disable it, you should be good to go. Try again. If that still doesn't work, hold down your power button and your volume down button, and then go ahead and press restart to restart your phone. And then that's definitely going to, configure the setting properly. Once you try your Type-C earphones again in your phone, you should be good to go and everything should be working fine.